Okay, so this is going to shock you in a good way. We're talking about Bitcoin, but don't tune me out. You need to watch this because there are some numbers in this video that I'm about to share with you that is shocking to say the least. Now, always remember that when we talk about Bitcoin on my channel, I love Bitcoin. I own Bitcoin, I'm a fan, all that kind of stuff, right? Bitcoin is something that even if you do not own it, which not investing advice, you should own some. Okay, good diversification strategy, all that. Bitcoin is one of those that as it rises and goes up in value right now, by the way, just passing $30,000. Yeah. Okay. It's good stuff. I've talked about that in previous videos. It pulls everything else up, right? So it pulls Ethereum up, Cardano, Shiba Inu, Dogecoin, you insert any crypto token name here. So yeah, you should care about Bitcoin. But here's the shocking part. What if Bitcoin went to $100,000 per Bitcoin? What would the market capitalization of Bitcoin be? But more importantly, this is the shocking part. Bitcoin will be bigger than some of the biggest companies in the world from a market capitalization, and it's going to shock you. I promise you're going to want to stick around for this because this is one of those things where you could drop some of these little facts that I'm about to give you just in conversation to your friends, your family, or whomever, and say, hey, did you know this? They're going to go like, what are you talking about? Okay, so here we go. So let's take a look at right here. Sorry, I moved a button. Okay. All right. So basically, what would Bitcoin's market capitalization be at 100,000? So right now, the market capitalization of Bitcoin is 583 billion. And you can see that the entire crypto market right now is 1,124 billion and change, up 4%. Really, really good. Good stuff. Need Ethereum to cross 2,000. Yeah, baby. Keep going. Okay. So here we go. So basically, I'll show you what I'm talking about. Let me move down here. Okay. So if Bitcoin were to go to $100,000 per coin, which there are definitely indicators that it could because of, remember, we have the Bitcoin halving event coming up, all that kind of stuff, right? That the market capitalization for just Bitcoin would be 1,930 billion, which is bigger than this total number here. But that's fine, right? Remember, we talk about the fact that crypto is going to come back and the entire crypto market is going to get bigger and bigger and bigger down the road. 3 trillion, 4, 5, 6, 7 trillion plus. I'll also remind you that this number plus this number, so Bitcoin and Ethereum combined, make up about 60% of the entire crypto market capitalization. Okay, just FYI. Now, here's the shocking part. Let me show you this. So if when Bitcoin were to reach 100,000 per coin, look at this. It would have a bigger, Bitcoin alone would have a bigger market capitalization than silver, the entire global silver market capitalization, which is 1.4. But here you go. It would have a bigger market valuation than Google. Yep, you heard me right. Google's 1.3 trillion. Oh, by the way, a little bitty company you probably never heard of, Amazon. Yeah, Bitcoin would have a bigger market capitalization than Amazon. This shocked me. Berkshire Hathaway have a bigger market capitalization than them. By the way, it's not too far from having a bigger market capitalization. Remember that, Warren Buffett and Berkshire, they don't like crypto. They don't at all. This may be a reason why. Maybe just saying. Okay. NVIDIA, big company. Oh, and by the way, Tesla. Now, this is like kind of comparing apples to oranges a little bit, right? But if you're talking about just pure market capitalization, that is some shocking numbers that are very, very doable. All right. Have a good one. Go make some money. Bitcoin above 30,000. This is good stuff. Let's keep this train moving. I'll see you. Have a good one. Take care.